Hey, leave us a comment. Do we need to put some good exhaust on this thing? Nothing but the best for our truck. That's what I'm saying. Nothing but the best. Unfortunately, we got to take all that stuff back off. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on this 2013 Toyota Tundra TRD off-road four-wheel drive that now looks like a 2020. In the last video, we did test fit every piece of this front end onto this truck, and it looks fabulous. I mean, look at it. My goodness, what a truck. Unfortunately, we're going to have to take all of it back off because we just got some self-tappers in there. We're going to have to weld it all up and get it all rust-proof and get it ready for the finished front end. So why don't we hop to that? We're going to hop in here. We're going to get it all welded up. Then we're going to set in and maybe put the radiator and the condenser and stuff on there. It's going to be a good day. It's going to be a great video. So hang around and check it out. That little welding job went perfect. Man, we laid down some dimes just like we've been doing it all our lives. Got the radiator support all squared up, all welded in. Everything on that sucker is 100%. We even sprayed a little paint over our welds, you know, a little bit of etch primer, then a little bit of primer, then a little bit of paint. Rust protected all of that stuff. So now what we got to do, the next step, I guess, we're going to put the condenser in. The condenser has a transmission cooler built into it. It's a little bit odd in that respect, but we're going to put the condenser in, and then we're going to bring the radiator in, maybe get the radiator and a fan shroud and all the hoses hooked up. And then you can see, let's see if I can get the camera, the thermostat housing here. That sucker's cracked. Broke, actually. Got a brand new one of those. We're going to get that put on. We're going to try to get it buttoned up, get the coolant in it, and kind of get things going with this thing today. That's what we need to do. So let's stop talking and let's start working. Man, that was a pretty easy job. It's a pretty simple job. We got it all figured out. I did not hook up transmission cooler lines just yet, just in case I don't want to have to take that sucker back off. I don't want it full of transmission fluid, so we still got that bypassed for the moment. But we do have our brand new radiator here and a brand new fan shroud. We've already put it together. JP, he's not here today, and I could have very easily went down to Walmart, picked up the SuperTech antifreeze for $7.50 a gallon. But me and JP, we worked together for a long time on this stuff. And one thing that gets his feathers ruffled, if you don't put the pink antifreeze in the Toyotas, even though, you know, the green antifreeze is safe for all vehicles, JP, he's gotta have the pink. So we got the pink, you know, instead of paying $15 for 2 gallons, we just paid $50. You know, hey, nothing but the best for our truck. That's what I'm saying. Nothing but the best. Alrighty, man, that was super easy. We just poured 2 gallons of antifreeze in there, got it all filled up. She's filled up to the top, to the brim. Now we're going to fire it up, warm it up, make sure we hadn't got any leaks. So let's hear this sucker run. Let's fire up this 5.7 liter V8 and listen to it purr. Man, them revs, man. This sucker still had some South Carolina left in the exhaust line there. We just blew it all out, revved him up. She purrs down really good. We got no leaks. Super job. I mean, looking under there, we got no leaks. Everything is coming together on this truck. Everything is coming together. It just sounds so good. It purrs like a kitty, a big kitty, like, you know, a lion kitty. That's how this sucker purrs. But you know what? We may have to get some exhaust on this thing to make it growl a little more. Hey, leave us a comment. Do we need to put some good exhaust on this thing? I mean, that make it really sound really good. Alrighty, guys. Hey, we finished up today, almost back where we started, with the exception of getting the radiator support welded in, condenser in. We put the radiator in, we put the fan shroud in, we got all the coolant in. We don't have refrigerant in for the AC yet, and we do still have to check the transmission fluid. I put a little bit in it, about 3 quarts, just to get it moving around, so we got to check that. But all in all, this truck is amazing. It is amazing. I cannot wait to hit the road with it. In the next video, we should be able to get everything painted up. Hopefully that's our goal. We get everything painted up, and maybe we can talk about how much we give for this thing. If y'all want to know how much we paid for it at the auction out the door, leave us a comment. You know, some of y'all may buy stuff at Copart. You want to know. If you want to know, leave us a comment. I'll let you know exactly what we gave for it, how much we paid to have it hauled in. It's a massive truck, and I just love it. And that's going to be a wrap for today's video. We do appreciate you stopping by and watching. Please give us a thumbs up. Always leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.